Hello. Now let's see how you're going to upload a workflow attached document to LuitBiz DMS. To do so, first click on Document Upload on the left-hand navigation menu, then click on Upload Document. Now let's select the folder where you would like to upload the document. Let's select this folder, say Purchase Orders. And after that, on this right hand side, you see this box which says Attach Workflow to Document. By default, it takes a no, but if you want to attach a workflow to a document, select Yes out here. And then click on this button, go to step 2. Here, select the file that you would like to upload. And select the workflow template that you would like to attach to this particular document. If you want, you can attach, you can add the keywords or an alert date or an expiry date or a description or comments, but these are all in the blue section and they are all optional, and you can add them later by editing the document properties from the document detail page. So right now we'll leave this as is and we click on Submit. So now this particular workflow step, this workflow template consists of 2 steps. So now you want to add the start date and the end date and the reviewers for each of these 2 steps. So let's say the start date starts on this and ends on this, and let's say these 2 people are the reviewers for this particular step. And out of these 2 people, you want at least one, or you can want 2 of them, whatever, depending on your choice and your company's requirement. You want at least one of them for this demo purpose to approve the document so that it moves to the next step. And you can write a note to these 2 people out here. It's optional again since it's in the blue section, but you can write something. Now coming to the second step, let's say it begins on this date and ends on this date, and now let's select the reviewers for this particular step. So now we have, for the second step, these 3 people are the reviewers, and out of these 3 people, how many of them should approve the document so that the document is finally approved? I say finally approved because this workflow template has just 2 steps, so it can have any number of steps, and you can have any number of permutation combination of your approvers and the minimum number of accepted reviews for that particular step. So let's say for our demo purposes, out of these 3 people, at least 2 need to approve so that your document is finally approved. You can write a note to these 3 people also. And then add the workflow. So now before this document actually goes to the first step reviewers, you get another chance to make any modifications because there might be some problems with the document which you want to modify. So to do so, click on My Documents on the left-hand navigation menu and then click on the last link out here called My WF Docs. So this is the document you just added workflow to, and you can view the document out here in this document detail page. Click on View Document and you should be able to view the document. Click on the tab Document Workflow. You get an option to edit the workflow, like all the steps, the dates, the reviewers, the minimum number of accepted reviews, the notes for the reviewers, all these things. If you want to make any modifications, you can do so. And then once you're done, you can click on Edit Workflow. You're again coming back here. But suppose everything is done, and if you are not happy with the workflow, you can of course go ahead and delete the workflow or share the document with the other users. But since we're talking about getting approvals on this document, so let's go and publish the workflow. So the moment you do so, this document goes for approval to the first step approvers, and they get an email alert saying that something has come for their approval, and they will be logging into their system and they will be approving the document. How they're going to approve the document, we are going to show in a later video, but this video just outlines how you're going to upload a workflow document. So just to review, first you will need to go and upload the document, attach a workflow to it. While uploading, you have to say yes, I want to attach a workflow to it out here, so that in the next step you get the available workflows, and once you add the workflow to the document, before it actually goes to the first step approvers, you have to go to My Documents, My WF Documents, go to the document detail page and publish the workflow. So those are the different steps that you need to follow to add a workflow document to LuitBiz DMS. Thanks for watching.